Most people assume you need to drop a small fortune on a name-brand rotary tool if you want to get any real work done. But this kit from New Master is making that argument a lot harder to defend. Right out of the box, it feels like someone actually thought about what a hobbyist needs. You get a massive pile of 160 accessories, which is honestly a bit overwhelming at first, but it means you aren't running back to the store the moment you decide to switch from sanding wood to cutting through a piece of metal. The motor packs 180 watts, and you can really feel that power when you're pushing it through tougher materials. It doesn't bog down easily, which is a common headache with cheaper corded units. The speed control is a simple dial, and it's smooth enough that you can dial it down to a crawl for delicate polishing, or crank it up to 35,000 RPM when you need to get aggressive with a grinding bit. One of the smartest inclusions here is the flexible shaft. It's a lifesaver for those tight, awkward corners where you can't fit the main body of the tool. It turns the whole thing into a much more precise instrument, almost like holding a heavy pen. The grip is rubberized and soft, which is a nice touch because it keeps your hand from cramping up after 20 minutes of detail work. Now, it isn't perfect. The storage case is sturdy, but it's one of those plastic setups where getting everything back into its exact little slot can feel like a game of Tetris. If you're the type who just wants to toss everything in a drawer, you might find the organization a bit tedious. Also, while the ventilation is decent, it can still get a little warm if you're running it at max speed for a long stretch, so just keep an eye on that. But for the price, the performance is genuinely impressive. It's a solid, reliable workhorse that doesn't try to be anything it isn't. If you're looking for a versatile setup that covers almost every base without breaking the bank, this is a pretty compelling option to keep on your workbench. It's got the power, the reach, and enough bits to keep you busy for a long time.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.